How to fix error connection timed out in Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve this connection error on Chrome. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. A weak or dropped connection is the most common cause of this error. After that, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your network connection. From there, reopen Chrome and try loading the page again. At this point, if the error persists, go to your home screen and long press on the Chrome icon, then tap the Info or I button. In the next step, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Following this, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then confirm to completely close Chrome. Once done, reopen Chrome and try the page again. From here, if it still fails, go to your Android settings and tap on General Management. At this stage, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. This will reset all your network configurations, including Wi-Fi and mobile data settings. Finally, long press on the power button and tap Restart to reboot your device. Once back on, open Chrome and the error connection timed out error should now be resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix the error connection timed out error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.